Hello dear friends, today I want to show you just how easy it is to change the language settings in your wallet app, enhancing your user experience significantly. Coinbase. So we go to our profile, which is at the bottom where the wallet is, in the bottom right corner. And in the upper right corner, we see a gear. Click on it and navigate to the settings menu. Scroll down slightly and then click on the display button. Here we can adjust various visual preferences and configurations. We can choose the shadow and so on. We don't care. Here's the button, labeled language. We simply press it, and then we can easily choose the German option. Now, we have successfully switched to German. Language. We can choose any other language we want, as you can see. Now we have a different language. We go here and choose English once again. So, if you found it helpful, let me know in the comments. Most importantly, leave your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and turn on the notification bell. See you soon. Friends, thanks for watching.